What's up, people? So I'm feeling pretty good about all the predictions we've had thus far. These are definitely some wild days. Um, I doubled my accounts. All my accounts doubled twice this week. So like I doubled it once and then I doubled it again. And tomorrow morning, I foresee a substantial gap down. We should meet that 200-day moving average. Let's see what we got here on the October reading. Yeah, so there's a day's low in the pre-market. The Congress is highlighted, and something to do with a male leader or something happening with Congress creates some sort of fear. But the fear creates a low. And then right around the open, there's a big move to the upside, like a big move to the upside on a one-day chart. We have fluctuation in the first half hour. This may very well have to do with some sort of natural disaster. There could be a natural disaster highlighted tomorrow or overnight. I sense one coming soon, and this could be that, or it could have something to do with environmental climate change. A female leader may be highlighted, but for the most part, there's going to be some fluctuation. The overall behavior, though, for the day is going to be like big to the upside, even though everybody's scared and it seems like there's all these things that are going to go wrong. There's a ton of move to the upside. But starting from a big low. Okay, so after that first half hour of fluctuations, we have some real moves down to the downside. To establish a support level or to meet an established support level. And then at that point, it'll be roughly between it's going to be a move downward to reach that support level between, let's say, 11 and 12 o'clock. And then there's a move higher somewhere in the day's second low. Yeah, somewhere in the day's second low, which will be about midday. Probably closer to 1 o'clock. There's also going to be some sort of peak that forms. There's a peak that forms with some selling from that peak before there's a notable move higher. And that notable move higher is the trade opportunity that I foresee. Well, it's the second trade opportunity that I foresee for this day, October the 1st. From that big move higher and the trade opportunity, there's going to be a turnaround. We'll break down through support level, and then we'll bounce along the next support level before breaking down through multiple support levels as we enter the close. There will be some push to the upside right around the close, but that will from that push to the upside, there's going to be some more volatility, downward volatility. Behavior around the low is going to be bearish sideways. It's mixed sideways bearish behavior, and it's going to be the revisiting of a previous low of some kind. Interesting. May even be a revisiting of the low from the pre-market. So what I'm looking to do is I'll probably sell some, depending on how far down we hit. I'm going to sell some of my short positions. I have puts that are deep in the money now. And I have a few puts that are they're appreciating, but they're not deep in the money yet. In any case, if that opens at a specific level, let's say we hit the 200-day right at the open, I'm going to sell those. If we don't, I'll adjust. I'll probably roll. But then I'm also going to save space for me to open up those long positions midday, because there's an opportunity midday for me to open up long positions, calls. And then I can also sell those calls if I want to do a day trade. I could sell those calls during that spike to the upside that happens between roughly 2 and 3 o'clock. Hope this was helpful. And guys, if you like this sort of thing, let me know. It takes a lot of time. It's not like I just pull it out of a hat. It takes a lot of time. It took 21 years to figure it out. But I could do this for any stock, any investment. Doesn't matter what day, what time, what hour. You tell me. It can be done. I do it every day. Like science. Like and subscribe, share. I'll see you guys tomorrow.